Hi everyone, this is Jana here. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to make something very wintry, very delicious, very easy. Do you remember last year that we made, I think it was last year or 2 years ago, at the beginning of this channel, we made a vegan chorizo? Click there because today we're going to use this and white beans and tomato sauce and paprika, and that's it. Can you believe it? But before, I'm going to ask you to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button so you get notified every time I post a new video, and let's go to the recipe. So on a skillet, in this case, the best thing for this recipe is a cast iron skillet because it adds that extra char, the extra meaty taste to the food. You add white onions, stir it, medium heat, garlic a lot, and as soon as the onions are golden brown, we add our tomato sauce. Remember, we made tomato sauce? And if you want to know how it's made, the tomato sauce, click there after the video, obviously. And salt and pepper, and now you let it cook a little bit on medium-low heat. Okay, I'm going to add paprika paste. If you don't have paprika paste, you can add paprika like natural red bell peppers, or sweet paprika, okay, or sweet pimenton. That will be enough. Some tomato puree, about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons. This is going to add sweetness to this stew here. And half teaspoon of mustard. That's my preference because I like a little bit of a tang, a little bit of a kick. But if you don't like it, then leave it out. All right. Now that everything is incorporated, I'm going to add the cooked white bean. If you want to make your own white beans, that's fine. I haven't, I bought it. It's a store-bought, so, but if you want to make your own, sometimes I make it and freeze it, but I was out of it. And I actually had this jar here sitting on my cabinet for about 3 months, and I wanted to get rid of it. So this is a very good reason to. Some parsley. And now we let it cook in here for, I don't know, 5 minutes because everything is cooked. The tomato sauce is cooked. The beans are cooked. Everything has already incorporated, so it doesn't need much more cooking. All right, our stew is ready and waiting because now we're going to, what are we going to do? We're going to brown, I think, a little bit of the homemade sausages or chorizo that we made in the past, and this is it. And then we're going to put on top of the stew and enjoy it with some bread perhaps, or rice, or a side of a salad, or potato salad. You decide. Done. Now we're just going to plate it. And here we have our delicious and yet uber simple chorizo with white beans. I think it's Spanish. I just thought about it because I had both laying, one on my fridge and another one on my pantry. So I'm like, I need to find those things used. So I found this, but I'm sure it already exists. And this is it for today. Do you think I should try? Perhaps? Yeah, I think I should, but it's so hot. And actually, I'm gonna serve this later, so I'm not gonna touch the chorizo because you already know how it is and how it tastes. Delicious, as always. Oh. Mmm. The pimenton that we added before, the, how do you call it? The pimiento paste, the red bell pepper paste or paprika paste is phenomenal. Oh, it gives this smoked taste, but very mild, fantastic. I love it. I hope you have enjoyed this because this was a pretty easy and yet very wintry, very warm dish and done under 15 minutes. And I see you next time. Don't forget to, I have something stick on my tooth. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like I said before, and check on my Patreon if you would like to support this channel, because making videos is super expensive. And check on my merch, and I have mugs and t-shirts, and part of the profits going to be donated to my local animal shelter. Full recipe and quantities and everything on my website as well as on the description box below. So you don't need to worry about following the video and writing it down. And I see you next time. Have a fabulous week. Bye-bye.